んにちは ESTV のハンナです。今日のアウトナバートはグローバルファミリーデーについてです。Mr. Doyle, can you tell us a bit about Global Family Day?
Yep, Global Family Day is happening today. It's a day where everyone gets together to represent their own country. So everyone's dressed up. People have been going around the world, visiting lots of different places, doing lots of different activities and having a lot of fun. Hopefully it's been an enjoyable day. Celebrating that we're all together, we've all got our differences, but we're also all together as one.
Lastly, I'm wondering if you could tell us what country you are representing and something interesting or fun about it.
Yep, I'm representing Scotland, that's where I'm from. So this is a kilt that I wear and this is my sporran. This is my interesting fact would be that this is what I wore when I got married to Mrs. Doyle.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Juliette, je suis française et aujourd'hui je suis en train de représenter la France. An interesting fact about France is that France once had a king that only lasted for 20 minutes.
大家好，我是王雨琪，我是中国人。So in my country, you could actually see the Great Wall of China from outer space. Aku Valencia. Aku dari Indonesia. Indonesia is the country with the most islands.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Léo and I'm from France. A very interesting thing about my country is that the Eiffel Tower was built while France was flooding.
Halo, ja sam Ivan I dolazim iz Hrvatske. Something cool about my country is that there are more than 1,000 islands in Croatia and we came second in the last World Cup.
Hi, I'm Esme and I'm from England. One great thing about my country is that it's one of the only countries that still has a queen.
Namaste, मेरा नाम संहिता है और मैं इंडिया से हूँ. One interesting fact about India is that biryani, one of the most popular food, was actually made for the king's workers.
Hello, La. My name is Ray, and one interesting fact about Singapore is that it's only 56 years old. I know, right? So young.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Joséphine. I'm representing Belgium today. And one interesting fact about Belgium is that French fries are actually from Belgium, not France.
French fries are from Belgium?
안녕하세요. 한국에서 온 지효입니다. An interesting fact about Korea is that you're 1 year older when you're born. Konnichiwa. 私はSakurakoです. 日本人です. An interesting fact about my country is that there's 118 volcanoes.
本当に?
グローバルファミリーデーについてアウトナバウト ESTV のハンナがお伝えしました。見ていただきありがとうございました。また次回。